idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
Alright, you guys, man, this is a massive, oh, wait, I don't have the mic plugged in. Let's see, construction deliveries, we'll go left, no hard hat, no safety glasses, no safety vest, no entrance. We have all that. They told me to park somewhere on the side of the road. I think these guys must be looking for me. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Beautiful. Alright, that was definitely a construction site. Got the old girl nasty again, come on. That's okay, she was nasty from all the rain and stuff on the way up. So, I can't tell if that van is turning. I had a four-wheeler coming up behind me there. So, this was a top secret, highly classified job site. No pictures, no anything, no calling your mom. Said, Mom, I am at so and so, because they would ban you for life probably. Well, we can't go left right here. I don't know. Let's go right just to keep the GPS happy. I think we can go left, you know. So, and actually, I think I'm going to go left. The concrete truck's going to let me make that turn, but I decided not to. So, there's a sign right there on the front lawn, and it said Google. So how top secret can it be? They got a sign out front that says Google. I love it. I don't know where this road right here goes. We probably should have went back out the other way, you know. But anyway, yeah, they act like it's a very classified, sensitive place.
6 miles.
So yeah, they've been building that plant for a while. They got a ways to go yet. But I guess the inner workings of Google might be top secret. So now we're going to go up here and pick up some styrofoam that goes to, yeah, just come on past me there, pickup truck. We're running 45. I don't know what the speed limit is, but we were, you know. Anyway, so yep, we're going to pick up some styrofoam and take it back to North Carolina. So there you go. Might be styrofoam coolers because it only weighs like 5,000 pounds for the whole load, and it goes to a sporting goods place in North Carolina. At least a little weekend run. I could go by the house on it, but I ain't decided if I'm going to do that yet or not. Anyway, so there you go. Just want to tell you we had a highly classified delivery with $1 million worth of pumps. Google's got deep pockets. Alright, see ya. Here we get that deja vu, deja vu, whatever. Deja vu, yeah. Feeling, been here, done that. I think I've been here, done that. Yes, sir. So we went to Council Bluffs, Iowa, made that delivery to a highly top secret facility. That was kind of funny. Oh, we can't tell you what this place is because it's highly classified. They got a bloody sign out there on the street. Just saying. Anyway, and then so we are going to North Carolina, the weekend run. We unloaded at our highly top secret facility. Watching this dually right here, man. He's confused and he's lost. Come on. So, made a delivery, and then we made it early, and our pickup wasn't scheduled till 11 a.m. but we got over there early, which didn't work out too good for me because they didn't get me in the door till like 11:30. They got me loaded at 1, so I got an hour's detention out of them. But that burned up my 14-hour clock. So now we can no longer make it to North Carolina today. We can make it to North Carolina tomorrow. We need to run like 180 miles of it tomorrow. So there's no point. We wouldn't get a 34-hour reset. So we are gonna go home. Think of worse things to happen, right? So my house is about 48 miles out of route. I Google mapped it. So yep, we're 48 miles out of route to go home.
Keep to the right on I-64 East.
So we're gonna go home, and anyway, spent the night at Kingdom City Petro. Woke up at 3 this morning. Tri-Pack wasn't running, which is not abnormal when you're on air conditioning and the air conditioning reaches a temperature. The unit itself will kick off, but the fan will still run on the AC. It'll still blow air. Well, it wasn't blowing air, so the little control center had a little red triangle, and ACS lit up in green. Never seen the ACS lit up. I don't know what that stands for. I guess air conditioning. So I shut her down, fired it back up, and thought I heard the AC compressor kick in. I couldn't really tell if it was that cold or not because it was after going outside. It wasn't that hot outside any longer at 3 in the morning. You don't have to cool it off. So
Keep to the right on I-64 East.
we I think our Freon's low. Last time we had that happen, we had a hole in the Freon line, the AC lines, and had that fixed in North Carolina, and it was expensive. It was like $1,100 and something. So hopefully that is not the case this time. But go home, get the old laptop and hooked up to it and see if it tells me what the codes are. I was hoping it was a fan belt. I got up this morning and went and checked it, and all the fan belts are there in good shape, but she's purring like a kitten. It's just the air conditioner doesn't work. So yeah. So probably low on Freon. So I think what's going to happen is that we're going to unload and reload in North Carolina, and it is directly, it's exactly right across the street. I unload at the sporting goods warehouse, and I'm telling you, I pick up right across the road. It's crazy. I mean, and that happens a lot when you unload and then you book an unload in the same town. They're usually in the same vicinity. So we're going to go home today. Hopefully get the truck washed on the way down there in Turtles. Then go home. I go to the parts store and buy a can of Freon, see if we can't shoot some Freon in the system and see what that does for it. And if that gets us air conditioning working, we know when it's low, and we'll also be able to tell if it's a leak at the same time. So we'll probably buy a can of Freon with some dye and see if we can't just troubleshoot it ourselves. But I'm going to unload Monday in North Carolina. I'm going to reload, and that load I'm reloading, it goes to Alpharetta, a little short haul run, 300 miles, paying $3 a mile, and that goes to Alpharetta, Georgia, and I can't stand Georgia. But I'm thinking about going home from there. That's going to unload Tuesday morning,
2 miles. Keep to the left on
and I guess I will
I-50 East.
go home and get Thermal King in Chattanooga to fix it. So I was kind of wanting to work because I'm going on vacation here in a couple weeks, and so I wanted to work until then. But here we are going home today, which is technically just passing by the house, which is 24 hours, and then we'll have to go back home, I guess, Tuesday and get the tri-pack looked at, because this is the wrong time of year not to have air conditioning. Now, I'm not going to idle this big motor. It's just not good for it, even though they say, oh, you can idle these. Yeah, well, no, I don't think so. You know, I don't want to. I got 139,000 miles in this bad boy, and she hasn't stopped, man. I had a little hiccup at 22,000 miles, but man, this thing is, holy cow, dude, we have not stopped it, you know. And I really should take this truck and throw it in the shop, just to have all the bolts and nuts and crap checked on it. And but yeah, we haven't stopped it for anything, so it's been pretty awesome. But anyway, so there's that, you know.
Half mile. Keep to the left on I-64 East.
So we are going home. So let's go home. Yep. Alright.
And a quarter of a mile. I-64 East.
Damn it, I'm tired. I've been up since 3. Yep. But I got a nice hot shower. So thank you, lovely tri-pack. I got to take a nice long hot shower, because I got up like 2.5 hours before my...
67 miles.
Would you hush? That Garmin, that Rand McNally is noisy. Anyway, so yeah, we got a nice long hot shower because we got up way early because our tri-pack malfunctioned. So there you go. Now you're up to date, not too late.